First of all, it is so hard to make such videos. I have no idea how you do it on an everyday basis.
And you always keep on fighting with me.
I didn't find anything weird about you.
Also, Mohini, it's very awkward talking to myself right now.
Oh, she's a best friend. I love you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I make videos to fashion, travel, lifestyle, DIYs and a lot more. And welcome back to another episode of 23 Days with Mohini. As I'm turning 23, so I'll be uploading 23 regular uploads. And some of them are already live, some will go live super soon. So I hope you're catching up on all of them. And in today's video, as you must have read by the title, this is about how much do my friends know me. So for this video, what I have done is I have messaged a couple of my very good friends, and I've messaged them the same questions in the same order, and they all are going to answer those questions. Most of the questions are about me, and yeah, actually all the questions are about me, so they are going to answer it. And in this video I am going to react to their answers and tell you guys if it's truth or not, and if I'll have any comment on that, so I'll definitely comment as well. And now I'm gonna play the video right here because the video is now ready and you guys will see the video and my reaction all together. So let's get started. So before starting this video, I would like to give you a little flashback of how I met them and what is my story with them. So Simran and Deepti is the first pair I want to talk about. So I met them in school. I don't even remember कि pre-nursery से साथ हैं कि first class है, but we have been through all like 10th तक हम लोग इकट्ठे पढ़े हैं. In fact दीप्ति और मैं plus 1 plus 2 में भी इकट्ठे पढ़े हैं. So we have been like since together since like childhood. So these girls are like my favorites. And then in plus 1 plus 2 in my high school, I met Shefali and Mannat, and they are like my high school sweethearts. I'll say I love them a lot and they are like the sweetest person. And Shefali and Mannat are girls whom I don't talk to on a daily basis, but I know I can count upon them any day, anytime. So next pair of girlfriends I want to talk about is Gargi and Gurleen. You all know Gargi so well, and I think you know Gurleen as well. So I met both of them in my college and they are like my sweethearts. I love them so much. I love all 6 of them. I don't think there's anybody else जो मुझे इन 6 लोगों से ज़्यादा जानता है मेरे circle में. So now I'm going to play the video because the video is now ready, and I'm gonna give my reactions on the answers, and if I'll have any comments I'll give my comments as well. So let's get started. I'm nervous before like playing this video.
Hi baby, first of all, it is so hard to make such videos. I have no idea how you do it on an everyday basis.
Hi guys, what's up? I'm expecting most of you might know me, but for all those who have recently joined this channel, I want to introduce you to myself. I'm Gurleen, Mohini's friend, and today we are here to go do some QA for Mohini's birthday month. Hey Mohini, so your birthday month has started, so wish you a very happy birthday in advance.
Everyone, my name is Mannat, and also Mohini, it's very awkward talking to myself right now. So if I just seem to rush through all the questions, that's because I am rushing through all the questions. चलो start करते हैं. Okay, these questions. So the first question is, do you think you can shop for me? And I'd say that yes, I think I can shop for you.
Yes, I think I can shop for you.
Of course I think I can shop for you.
Totally, any day I can shop for you.
Yeah, I guess I can shop for you.
I have this thing where, you know, if I have a particular person in my mind that I have to shop for this particular person, I like to get into their mind zones, you know, what they like, they don't like and everything. So I think I'll be able to shop for you. I think anyone can shop for you because the main reason behind this is that you can carry almost everything, right? So anyone can shop for you.
I think yes, I can shop for you. I just have to go and pick some maxi dresses and my life is sorted, and yours too. So I think definitely I can shop for you.
Your OG basic style is maxi dresses.
Of course, like maxi dresses for sure. And the second one I would say is the trousers, the loose trousers with the t-shirt. Definitely.
Your style is something simple but elevated. not something super fancy that an average girl also can carry.
Okay, for summers, everybody knows it's maxi dress. Maxi dresses, how much you love them. So for summers, maxi dress. Or winters, I know you don't like winters as much as you love summers. But chalo, I think for winters also, like, you would wear some jacket over a dress with boots, I guess.
As your basic style is maxi dresses and cool, easy going stuff, which is my dream car.
So I'd just like to answer here with my dream car, which is a Maserati.
मोहिनी तूने कभी नहीं बताया. ओके, आई हैव नो आइडिया, पर मुझे लगता है इट वुड बी एन SUV. या अगर SUV हुई तो आई टोटली गेट द पॉइंट. ओके,
I guess it's Audi or Jaguar.
I'm not sure, but I think your dream car is a BMW.
So I think your dream car is either Land Rover or Range Rover. Like, I'm confused between both. So I just remember once you told me either it was, I mean, it is one of the Rovers. I'm not pretty sure on this. Either Land Rover or Range Rover.
It's a red Range Rover.
अगला क्वेश्चन. व्हेन डिड आई स्टार्ट पोस्टिंग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एज अ ब्लॉगर?
3 or 4 years back. I think 2017.
I particularly remember this because it was my cousin's wedding around that time, so it was February of 2018. And if I have to pinpoint a date, I would say it was between 3rd and 7th of Feb.
I guess it was in 2017, and
You started Instagram an year back. That makes it 2017. Yup, I hope I'm right.
So I think you started your Instagram in 2017.
I'm so sorry, I don't remember the exact date, but it was somewhere around in February. No, yeah, in February, in mid of the February.
I
First of all, in mid of February, which year, Gargi? You haven't mentioned. Also, there's a story that किसी ने 2018 Feb बोला और किसी ने 2017. So basically, the story is I made my account public in 2017 December, but then I went for my internship to Delhi. I thought Delhi जा रही हूँ, जाने से पहले public कर लेती हूँ and then I'll be posting content there, but life there was so difficult. I couldn't post anything. So मेरा account public था, but I wasn't posting anything. So I hardly made 1 or 2 posts in like starting of December, like 2017. But I actually began the journey in 2018 February. So 2017 is also correct. 2018 is also correct because I made my account public in 2017, but I actually started posting in 2018 February. So yeah, now let's get started again.
know it, I know it, I know it. You started YouTube in 2018 around your birthday.
Last year only, so 2019.
No, 2018. And YouTube, it was 30th September 2018. Yeah.
So you started YouTube in that same year, so 2018, and I remember seeing your birthday vlog twice now, and so if I have to put my money on a month, I would say it'll be either August or July that you started your YouTube.
Just a second. She just said that she has seen my birthday vlog twice. So 2020 का तो नहीं डाला है, 2019 का डाला है, 2018 का डाला है. तो September में birthday vlog डाला and that was the first video. So how can I start it in July? Mannat, you need to rework on your thoughts. But you're quite close. It was September 2018.
well, it was a year after that. It was 2018.
And YouTube you started in 2018 on your birthday. You posted your first video. Yeah, so I think yes. YouTube, I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure about IG as well. 2017 and YouTube 2018.
So what do you think I'll buy if I have 20,000? Okay.
So there are 2 options. One, that you have something in mind, like some expensive watch or any other thing like bag or anything. then you will buy that. But if I randomly give you 20,000 and I just ask you to go and spend it, so I don't think you are a person who would go for one or two expensive things. You would go and buy small things, but you will have a variety of things. You'll buy a variety of things so that you have a lot of things, you know, that you can wear on different occasions. So you won't buy one thing, you will buy some clothes, some accessories, some makeup maybe, or anything other that you like. So I don't think you're going to spend it on one single thing.
Everything, dresses, makeup, shoes, bags.
20,000 bucks. I think you'll invest in a good bag. Yeah, I think you'll invest in a good bag.
You will definitely invest it or maybe save it.
So I think that you will be smart about it and you will not just, you know, spend it around like that. You will either put it towards your channel or, you know, something valuable for you. So I just say that you'd like to invest rather than buy. Also considering that, you know, the clothes that you buy, the accessories, the heels, the shoes, the everything, that's also an investment. So you'd invest.
So yes, I think this answer is well known by everyone. You will definitely buy a bunch of outfits for you in a minimum amount, and you'll manage somehow to buy a lots and lots of outfits.
The thing I hate the most. No idea.
Procrastinating, a person with poor management skills.
The thing you hate the most is anyone messing up your schedule. Like, you go by your fixed schedule, so anyone who tries to mess up that, तेरा जो टाइम टेबल होता है उसमें कुछ एडिशंस हो जाए, अनप्लान्ड एडिशंस, I think you don't like it. Yeah, so that is the thing you hate.
The thing Moini hates the most is being unpunctual. Whenever the person is late, she doesn't like when the things are not going according to the time scheduled.
Is onions, obviously.
So I think except for pyaz tomato, that is one thing that you hate the most. Chalo, that is food. Except for that, I think you hate mismanagement the most. You like to keep things organized. So like if I ask you last moment पे अच्छा ऐसा कर लेते वैसा कर लेते plan change कर देते, तो I think you hate that the most.
Yeah. When did I get my first hair color? 2016, because it was second year of college. So I think so it was 2016 or 2017 around.
It was 2016, but it was in first year of college. Basically, I got it in January 2016, so it was starting, it was still the first year only. And let's see what others have to say.
I think in first year of college.
स्कूल में तो नहीं था ऑब्वियसली. सो कॉलेज फर्स्ट ईयर में वेट लेट मी थिंक. कॉलेज फर्स्ट ईयर में भी शायद नहीं था. सो आई गेस कॉलेज सेकेंड ईयर. सो ईयर का हिसाब लगा लियो. यू कैन डू इट ना. कॉलेज सेकेंड ईयर. या
This is like the something which is really saddening for me. So you got your first hair color done in 2016 January, and I was so obsessed with your hair color. Like right now I am crushing over your hair cut. At that time I was crushing over your hair color. So I remember that precisely.
And the answer would be 2019 in a broad spectrum, I would say.
It was in like first year 2015 of our bachelor's first year in 2015, yeah. And it was highlights, blonde highlights. What's my height?
Your height is 5'6", and you always keep on fighting with me because I'm a bit smaller. Like I say I'm 5'5", you say I'm 5'6", but you think that I'm 5'4", something like that, I think.
I hate you for putting this question in the list, and how can I not know the answer for obvious reasons. Okay, so you are 5'6", and I hate that.
Okay, well, Moini, it's 5.5, and you always tell that it's 5.6, but yeah, no, it's 5.5, and you should accept that.
It's 5'5".
So your height is 5'6". We talked about it the last time that we met.
It's 5'6" to be precise, but I think it's 5'5", but it's 5'6".
So what is your shoe size?
It's 40.
So I know your shoe size. Like if I have to buy shoes for you, I know what size to get you because it's a size bigger than mine. But so I don't know my size, so I can't just say like a particular size. But I know what your shoe size is. Okay.
I think it's 6.
Your shoe size is 6, one bigger than mine.
I think 39 or maybe 40. 38 तो शायद ज़्यादा छोटा हो जाएगा ना. 38, हाँ 38 तो छोटा हो जाएगा. So let's go with 39. Yeah, let's go with 39.
Your shoe size is UK 7? No. Yeah, UK 7. It's UK 6.
According to you, what is my most weird habit?
Your most weird habit is drinking water but touching the lips on the bottle knob, which I hate the most and I don't like it. You can do that without touching that even, no, but you don't. So I don't like that habit of yours. It's a weird habit.
Okay, I'm sorry I'm telling this on your channel, but you have asked me for that. So the thing I hate most about you is your munching. Okay?
Oh, your most weird habit is ordering food without onions and tomatoes anywhere you go. भैया इसमें onion नहीं होना चाहिए, भैया इसमें tomatoes नहीं होने चाहिए. Like ordering pizza without onions and tomatoes is so weird. And we literally handle your weirdness. You better don't ever forget that, okay?
That you take onions out of everything, especially pizza. That's unfair. Like that is very rude of you to take your onions out of your pizza.
I didn't find anything weird about you.
You are 90% weird according to me, but I'm used to those things, so I don't find them weird anymore.
And the weird habit. I will definitely say it. I would definitely say it as a weird habit. She can cry anytime. She's such a crybaby. I mean, she is.
According to you, what is the best thing about me? I think you are a very optimistic girl. You're always you get excited about little things, and that's very nice.
Everything about you is undoubtedly the best thing about you. And but if I have to say like specifically, I just think that you're very hardworking, and also the way that you're loyal towards your audience. So there's a story here, okay? So she was telling me about the 3-day series for her birthday, and she goes like, I want my audience to count on me that every day for the next 23 days this girl is gonna like I'm gonna see a video from this girl every day at this particular time. So that's very, very hardworking of you and very loyal of you towards your audience. And also, if you think that her job is easy, it's not. Just take out your camera and start shooting yourself. Like I am doing that right now, and I know how hard it is.
तारीफ करूँ क्या उसकी जिसने तुझे बनाया. But okay, the best thing about you is that you are really hardworking. Yeah, that is the thing I adore the most. You're very hardworking. You have a direction in your life, and that is very inspiring at this age. And another amazing thing about you is like you really make efforts for your own people. I love that about you. Love you for that.
Well, I guess your leadership quality and your management skills are the best.
Best thing about you is your positivity and that you like to keep things organized. So I find these two things the best about you.
You have great management skills. Like if I am with her, I don't have to think what's next because she is all planned in her mind. Like yeah, she has really good management skills, and of course she is the best friend. I love you. Bye.
अगला क्वेश्चन. यार क्वेश्चंस खत्म हो गए. आई रियली स्टार्टेड एंजॉइंग दिस नो. अगली बार ना हम ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. कितने क्वेश्चन है? 10. अच्छा 10 क्वेश्चंस. आई थिंक आई विल रेट माई सेल्फ 8 on 10. आई थिंक इतने तो करेक्ट होंगे ही. Yeah, I loved it, baby. Thank you for making me a part of this. I love you.
Okay, bye. Wish you many many happy returns of the day, Lalu. Lots of kisses and huggies.
I love you.
Alright, Mohini. Bye bye. Love you.
Oh my god, I was smiling for 15 minutes continuously. Oh my god, I love my girlfriends, yeah. You girls are the best. If you're watching this video, which I know you are, you girls are the best. I'm so blessed to have you as my girlfriends, and I actually cannot wait to go on a bachelor's trip with you all for before like my wedding. Agar meri sabse pehle shaadi hoti hai, only then. Otherwise, I love you so much, and thank you so much for being a part of this thing which I asked you, because I know no one of you is so comfortable in front of the camera, and you all did it for me. You all did it just for me for my birthday, and I'm so grateful to have you guys. And thank you so much, my girls. I love you so much. And for everyone who's watching this video, these are my best girlfriends ever, and I love them so much, and I cannot express my love for them in this video, but I can easily say that you must have seen my face throughout the video, and I was smiling continuously. I love them so much, and they make me happy so much. And thank you so much. I'll take this as pre-birthday gifts from these girlfriends. I'm waiting for my real gifts, so I hope they are delivered soon. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm really looking forward to the other videos as well, which are coming super soon. And I hope you have caught up on all the videos which are previously posted. And thank you so much for watching and sticking by, and I love you guys so much. And thank you for watching this video. Till then, bye bye. See you tomorrow 8 PM